Hi everyone! Welcome again sa aking channel. For this video, ang ituturo ko sa inyo ay yung continuation pa rin ng Chapter 1 which is all about the conic sections under the lesson of hyperbola. The next lesson under hyperbola is finding the standard equation of the hyperbola given with certain conditions. Nasa pangalawang condition na tayo which is given with the general equation. Meaning to say, we're going to convert the general equation of hyperbola into standard form. Let's start with example number 1. Determine the standard equation of the hyperbola given with the general equation 7x squared minus 9y squared minus 28x plus 18y is equal to 44. The solution will be converting into standard equation by using completing the square. What we're going to do is, kokopyahin muna natin yung original equation, then i-group natin lahat ng may x variables. We have 7x squared and negative 28x. The next group is yung may y variables. We have negative 9y squared at positive 18y. We have plus the quantity of negative 9y squared plus 18y. And then on the right side, we have the constant 44. Before completing the square, factor out the coefficients of x squared and y squared if there is. Sa ating example, meron tayong coefficient ng x squared 7 at meron tayong negative 9 coefficient ng y squared. So ilalabas natin yung 7. Kaya ito ay magiging 7 times the quantity of x squared minus 4x then plus the third term. On this part, ang ilalabas natin coefficient is negative 9. So we have negative 9 times the quantity of y squared minus 2y plus the third term. And then on the constant, yung 44 ay dadagdagan natin ng 7 times the third term na makukuha natin dito. Then plus negative 9 times the third term na makukuha natin dito. So kunin natin yung mga third terms. On this part, negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. Pag in-squared, magiging 4. On this part, negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. Kapag in-squared is positive 1. So kung ito ay 4 at saka 1, ito ay magiging 4 din. Ito naman ay magiging 1 din. Then, saka natin i-simplify yung constant. We have 7 times the quantity of x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 9 times the quantity of y squared minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 44 plus 28 minus 9. Then, i-simplify pa natin to further. Ang 44 plus 28 minus 9 is equal to 63. Therefore, we have 7 times the quantity of x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 9 times the quantity of y squared minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 63. Next, we're going to convert the trinomial into binomial na nakasquared. Ito ay magiging 7 times the quantity of x minus 2 squared. Dito naman sa y group, minus 9 times the quantity of y minus 1 squared. Then is equal to 63. Mapapansin natin na yung nasa kanan natin ay 63. Kailangan natin siyang gawing positive 1. Kaya ang gagawin natin is i-divide natin by 63. Then lahat din ng terms ay i-divide natin sa 63. On this part, pag di-divide natin 7 at saka 63, ang magiging denominator is positive 9. On this part, pag di-divide natin 9 over 63, ang magiging denominator natin ay 7. And then 63 divided by 63 is equal to 1. Therefore, ang equation natin is the quantity of x minus 2 squared all over 9 minus the quantity of y minus 1 squared all over 7 is equal to 1. Ito ang ating standard equation. Let's have One more example. Example number 2. Determine the standard equation of the hyperbola given with the general equation 4x squared minus 9y squared plus 16x plus 54y is equal to 29. The solution will be converting into standard equation by using completing the square. What we're going to do is kopyahin muna natin yung original equation, then i-group natin yung may x variable, 4x squared at 16x. That would be the quantity of 4x squared plus 16x. And then i-group natin yung may y variable. So we have negative 9y squared at 54y. So we have plus the quantity of negative 9y squared plus 54y. Then ang constant natin nasa kanan na, kaya equals 29. Before completing the square, factor out the coefficient of x squared and y squared if there is. Sa ating example, meron tayong 4 sa x group at negative 9 sa y group. Ito ay factor out natin, magiging 4 times the quantity of x squared plus 4x. Saka natin siya lalagyan ng third term. On this part, ang ipa-factor out natin is negative 9. So we have negative 9 times the quantity of y squared minus 6y plus the third term. Then yung constant na 29 is dadagdagan natin ng 4 times the third term na makukuha natin dito. Then plus negative 9 times the third term na makukuha natin dito. So kunin natin yung mga third terms. On this part, positive 4 divided by 2 is 2. Pag in-squared is positive 4. On this part, negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. Pag in-squared is positive 9. Dahil ito ay 4 at ito ay 9, ito rin ay magiging 4 at ito naman ay magiging 9. Then, isimplify natin itong constant. We have 4 times the quantity of x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 9 times the quantity of y squared minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 29 plus 16 minus 81. Itong 29 plus 16 minus 81 is equivalent to negative 36. Therefore, we have the next line of solution. 4 times the quantity of x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 9 times the quantity of y squared minus 6y plus 9 is equal to negative 36. Then, we're going to convert the trinomial into binomial na naka-squared. Itong part na to ay magiging 4 times the quantity of x plus 2 squared. Then sa y naman, we have minus 9 times the quantity of y minus 3 squared. Then, is equal to negative 36. Again, ang constant natin ay negative 36. Kailangan gawin natin siyang positive 1. Kaya we're going to divide it by negative 36. And then lahat ng terms ay i-divide natin sa negative 36. Sa x group, pag dinivide natin ng 4 over negative 36, ang denominator ay magiging negative 9. Sa y group, pag dinivide natin negative 9 over negative 36, ang magiging denominator na is positive 4. And then negative 36 divided by negative 36 is equal to 1. The next line of solution is the quantity of x plus 2 squared over negative 9 plus the quantity of y minus 3 squared all over 4 is equal to 1. Hindi pa ito yung final answer kasi ang denominator ng x group is negative 9. Dahil positive ang y squared at ang kanyang denominator ay positive din, siya yung ilalagay natin sa first fraction. Pagpapalitin natin yung position nila. So ito ay magiging the quantity of y minus 3 squared all over 4 minus the quantity of x plus 2 squared all over 9 is equal to 1. Ito na ngayon yung ating final standard equation.